So, let's start with rounding off decimals. We have this number. This is 325 thousandths. So, you're going to round this to the nearest hundredths. Alin ba dito yung hundredths place? So, 2 is the hundredths place. This is our rounding off place. So, what is the number at the right? 5. So, it is round up. When you say round up, you're just going to add 1. Di ba? Pagka 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9. So, the number at the right, so round up yon. So, mag-a-add lang tayo ng 1 sa 2. And, you will just drop this number. So, tatanggalin mo na to. So, 325,000 is 33 hundredths. To the nearest hundredths. So, yan lang. So, you will just drop the last number. So, let's have another example. We're going to round this to the nearest tenths. So, the tenths place is 2. So, it will be 0.2. The number at the right is 3. So, round down lang siya. Pag round down, you will not do anything with the 2. So, i-drop nyo na lang yung number, all the numbers at the right. And that's it. We have 12 and 15,346 hundred thousandths. So, the tens place is 1. The number at the right is 5. So, round up yan. Yung 1 will become 2. So, you will just copy all the numbers at the right. So, yung 1 naging 2. And you will just drop all these numbers. So, pag ni-round mo to the nearest tenths, hanggang tenths lang yung maiiwan. Okay? We have this one. 132 and 46,435 hundred thousandths. The rounding place is 4. The number at the right is 6. So, round up. 4 will become 5. So, you will just copy all the rest of the numbers. When you round this to the nearest hundredths, the hundredths place is 3. It means, hanggang dyan lang yung matitira. We will only have 2 decimal number. Kasi hanggang hundreds lang. So, the number to be rounded is 3. The number at the right is 5. So, round up. 3 will become 4. You will add 1. So, iyan yung magiging rounded number natin. This one, 12 and 15,346 hundred thousand. The rounded number is 5. The number at the right is 3. So, round down. So, it will still be 12.15. This one, 132.46. With thousands place, you have this one, 0.236. So, pag thousands, 3 digits ang matitira.